Hello, you're welcome to this video. In this particular video, I'll be doing a review with one of my students um, in the UTRADING Bot crypto trading. So I'll be reviewing when she started. I will also be reviewing um, the UGAs she bought, the profit she has made so far, and our trading journey. You understand? So stay close to the video, do watch to the end in order to get the full details um, of what you need to know before you start your trading, and also how you can also scale your trading um, trading. All right, so let's get started. First, you might not be hearing our voice because of the um, the screen record I'm doing presently is not able to capture our voice, so WhatsApp call presently. All right, so please go to your profit. Let's start from your profit. Go to your profits. All right, so far you have made about $75 as a profit. So I would like to know when you started this trading. So just scroll down to the end when you started this. Let's know your progress from when you started. Okay, so you started um, on 1st of June, right? 1st of June, and your first day you did not make any profit. Your second day was about $1.6. Your third day was $19, $6, $3, $8, and there you had minus of $8 plus you had minus of $3, which is the highest loss you've earned. You um, you have had in the trading, and so just keep going on, keep going on. All right, so these are all. This is all. Now I would like to also check. Um, I would like to also check your your. I want to know how much you guys that you bought, how much you guys that you bought. So go to your assets. Let's check how much you guys you bought. Okay, you bought 96 UGAs, 96 UGAs, and so far 96 UGAs gives 10,000 UGAs. $96 UGAs gives you total of 10,000 UGAs, and here you have you still have balance of 6,339 you guys. Now, the reason why I'm doing this review is one, we need to check about the profit. We need to check the you guys because I had somebody that was complaining that he bought a you guys and he could not even make $50 and the 10,000 you guys finished. Now I'm going to be sharing with you the strategy that I've been giving to my students, and they are really doing well with that in the boat trading. You understand? So you're having balance of 6,300 something, which is very good because before this 6,000 will go. So let's say you spent about 4,000 US to earn $75, right? So that means before this 6,000 will finish, you might have gotten, let's say, close to $100 in profit, close to $100, which will also give you access to buy another view gas and still have profits. Because you know, in business or in investment, you you invest, you take profits, and you also have capital. You understand? So here, if for example you were able to make like, let's say you're able to make like $175, or you're able to make yes, okay, let's say $175 to $180. you can be able to subscribe another 95 or 96 users and still have balance, right? So that is great. So I would like to know the history of your trades. Though we have seen it from that side. So let's check um yes the history of your trades. So let's go down, keeps going down, keeps going down. So everything here is the trades, the pairs that she have been trading so far and the profit that she's realized from each. You understand? So, okay, so that is great. That is great. All right, so I would like to now do um, give some review of why her users is still plenty. She still have enough users, and she also have a good profit of about $75 from the subscriptions she made. Now, the secret or the strategy behind this is that everyone knows that the 95 users is not really active. It's still like in the testing stage. It's still not that active. You understand? But the strategy that I'm giving to everyone that is that's registered with my link or that is in the GBM, you understand, is the strategy of trading, of learning how to one analyze the markets. You understand? When you know what market is doing, you can be able to execute trades inside the boat, manually inside the boat. You understand? So these are the strategy that we are using that are giving them, and they are really doing very well with that. Now, it is all about trading outside the one that the trading bot is doing. Now, how is this done? When you analyze the market, okay, let me quickly go. All right, so here in the Telegram, in my Telegram, I give them signals. You understand? I give them signals that they can trade with what the bot is doing. You understand? As you can see. So these are signals that I send here to all my students. Now, it's not just signals. I also have an open mentorship, as you can see from the details here, that gives you room to learn how to analyze the market. You understand how to analyze the market, and also you see the reason why we take trades. You understand? So if you go through the signals that I send here, you see how amazing they are and how good we come out with profits or most of the time, majority. So all our trades is mostly um, profit, 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 profit. You understand? So let me just keep scrolling. We're going so let me keep scrolling. So this is okay. So this is where we took this trade, and this is what's happened in the trade. So it's really amazing. So if you come to, I'll be dropping this Telegram link. Yes, as you can see, this is another way. So I'll be dropping this Telegram link on this video, so you can connect, join our Telegram channel. That is one. Secondly, if you're interested to learn how to trade, as you can see, this is win, 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 win. This is really amazing. If you're interested to learn how to trade, analyze the market yourself, and take a trade confidently, is an opportunity for you to do that. And this is also an opportunity for you to scale for those that have bought um, you guys in you trading and you're not making good profits, is an opportunity for you to scale. You understand? So join our mentorship. We are still in the phase of pre-launch. Tomorrow is Friday. It will be ending tomorrow. The pre-launch will be ending tomorrow. And from Friday, from Saturday, the price to $30. So if you're interested, you have the opportunity to join for $10 before before we are done with the pre-launch. You understand? So these are trades we take here. As you can see, this is the first one we came out with a massive 1 to 5. As you can see here, this is massive 1 to 5. So let me go back. So this is 1 to 5 here. The first trade 1 to 5. This is 1 to 2. And as you can see, the 1 to 2. You see? So this is really, really, really amazing. And we are doing very well with this. So you're interested? Connect with me through the link on the description to join. You can see the link to our WhatsApp and also to our Telegram channel to join us and start making good money for yourself. And not just that, learn how to trade, analyze the market, and take trades yourself. All right, see you. Thank you for watching, and do well to click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to like this video and drop a comment in the comment section in case you have something you want me to talk about. All right, bye.